What's going on, boys? Today I'm going to show you guys how to keep your Plasti dip looking fresh. This is going to be a really short video today, but we've got our fully Plasti dipped daily driver project car over here. Still looking nice with the full Plasti dip. But when you have a Plasti dipped car, you need to do some routine maintenance to make sure that your Plasti dip lasts for as long as possible. So that's what we're doing today. You know, a lot of people will just Plasti dip their car and then just leave it and expect it to stay in pristine condition, but that doesn't really happen, and that's not realistic. So when you've got Plasti dip on your car, it's really normal to get, you know, things like peeling, rock chips from when you're driving along on the road. These things are really common, and they can do stuff like this to your dip. So if you look really closely over here, we've got a little nick over there. You can see the OEM paint showing. We've got that damaged out, which, I mean, this is, you know, that's to be expected. It's a car, it drives on the road. So little things like that will happen when you have a Plasti dipped car, obviously. Now, how you keep your dip looking fresh is you get ahead of all of that stuff and you cover it up before it gets any bigger or before it becomes more serious. So that's what we're doing today. You're gonna notice I'm not gonna do any masking in this video. Don't be like me, do your masking. But the chips that I've noticed today aren't in a place where I'm afraid of overspray, which is lucky because I don't have a lot of time to film today. Just got back from vacation, but I really did want to get a video out for you boys. So yeah, that's why I'm doing this. So hopefully, even though this is a short one, you enjoy it. All right, boys, so just to confirm, we've got that little guy over there. Now, you really do want to get rid of these chips before they become any bigger. This is the side I really want to take care of today. I really want to make sure that the peeling underneath doesn't get any worse. And then obviously with this one, where you want to make sure that it is as smooth as possible. So if you can see, this one would have some rough edges, so I'd want to just flatten out those rough edges, make sure it's nice and smooth.
Yeah, I need a fitness bunny, rap all day like my name Kid Cudi. Let a girl go chase money, so I gotta get a make her call me honey. Yeah, I need a fitness bunny, rap all day like my name Kid Cudi. Let a girl go chase money, so I gotta get a make her call me honey. Yeah, baby girl got stamina, run around like a puma predator. She the apex, and I love her when she down that spandex. The Zulu queen, know what that means. Skin got melanin, and it really got that sheen. Don't stop, she a fitness machine. Look at me now, I'm trying to finesse. Got my eyes on you, cause I'm trying to gauge what I gotta do to make you like a beast in a cage. Put you in a rage, every time I write about you, I know I gotta turn the page. Always got more to say, even if you're a song I heard, I'd still wanna press play. Come here, don't delay, cause the things you can do, girl, there's a whole array. Hey, hop to it, jump squats, put your booty on the floor, do a sit-up. Turn around, stay still, plank. Let me take a look, see where you rank. Go ahead, sweat, looking like a trooper, so I'll call you cadet. Hey, now I'm really upset.
I know this is janky, but yeah, if you've got enough experience spraying, and if it really is a tiny repair and it's low enough that you know you're not gonna get overspray, maybe you could get away with this, but don't do this, boys. Do your masking, don't do what I'm doing. I'm just trying to show you guys just the spraying process. All right, I'm gonna go. We're gonna let that dry and do maybe 1 or 2 more coats, because again, this is just a repair thing. So yeah, we're gonna do 1 or 2 more coats, not too many. We're not respraying the entire car. And yeah, we'll see what it looks like. I need to get these tires clean. Also, just as a little side project while the paint is drying, my front lip has come loose. So you'll notice these pieces here. That's because we're testing them out for you know, a new 3D printed front lip that we're doing. But in the meantime, I need to take this piece off to do a test fit and basically make sure that this one reattaches properly. So let's get started with that. Okay, so there are a couple things to do here. I had 2 test pieces for the new 3D printed front lip that is going to eventually be on the car once we dial that in. So I just had to use double-sided tape to stick the test pieces on and just see what they look like. And of course I had to do that twice because I had 2 test pieces, and after that I had to replace the faulty screw for the regular front lip. But I will say that it looked much better with the larger one, so it'll probably be that in the future. This is me just finishing up the coats for the little stone chip repair and then going back and fixing the front lip. But I'm really excited with how far this project car is coming along, and yeah, I think it's gonna look really great once everything is fully dialed in. So definitely stay tuned, boys, because it's gonna be great. All right, and as you can see, boys, that little nick that we had is gone. It is a little shinier on this side just because it's not fully dry yet, but as it dries, it's just gonna be matte like the rest of the car. It always looks a little shinier after I've sprayed it. I did the side skirt as well, and that is looking nice and fresh too. So yes, boys, that is how you stay on top of your Plasti dip. Make sure you stay on top of your Plasti dip, boys. Make sure you identify those stone chips early before they become even bigger problems. Make sure you look at the corners of your dip on a regular basis. Make sure it's not peeling. If it is peeling, give it a little spray to make sure it lasts as long as possible. But yeah, remember, maintenance is key when you have a fully Plasti dipped car. You need to stay on top of your maintenance so that you can enjoy having a fully Plasti dipped car. But thank you so much for watching. If you guys enjoyed this one, remember, in the next video, we're gonna be painting these doors. We're gonna be getting rid of these rain visors. We're gonna be getting that off, and we're gonna be painting those doors, making them nice and matte black. You know, we're going for that murdered out look. So yeah, I'll catch you guys in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. Peace.